What am I doing today? Not what are we doing today. What am I? Because it's only me. So we're taking apart cubes, pyramid, Shang pyramix white from the other video, what we got for Christmas, and then the Shang black. Okay. So first I'm gonna
45 degrees.
Take it out a piece. Looks like that.
Shoot.
Okay. And then a corner piece. And then see this? Ready? I'm going to take it apart. Okay, so this is basically what's inside. In it. Okay, now the pyramix. And I'm going to put it back together in this video, should I?
Yeah.
Okay, so
teach them
first, I'm going to take off the top, like that. And another top. And then another top. And then another top. And then I'm going to turn it 45 degrees. Pull it. And take it out. And this is what it looks like. Weird, huh? Okay. So now I'm going to take out the other pieces. It's done. Can I eat it? No. Okay. So, right now, it looks like this.
Porygon.
Oh, yeah.
Pokemon Go.
Oh, it's actually kind of hard to solve. Look. Wow. Try to solve it.
What the heck?
Oh, it's actually easy. Okay.
Now we'll show you how to put it back together.
Okay, fine. Try to solve it.
I'm using one hand. Okay, I'm solving.
It's kind of hard.
What the heck?
Kind of hard.
I don't understand this cube.
I know, me too. Here, oh, I think I know.
Yeah, I just... Wait, yeah, wait.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Look on me now.
How to put it back together.
So, see this red-green needs to go, see here, red-green. So I'm going to put it the proper way. And then just turn it 45 degrees. And then just slightly put it in. And then I'll get another piece. Yellow, green. Turn 45 degrees. Push it in. And if it is hard, just see right here. When you take it off, there's this little screw. Unscrew it. Well, not the whole thing, but lefty loosey, righty tighty. Do that, and then it loosens it. And if you loosen it, it goes faster, and it's easier to take. So then this is a blue, yellow. I think you get it now. And then 45 degrees. Push it in, and then I'll put this together. And then I'll put this one in. There. And then now I have to put together one more piece. Okay. Now you just put these back on again. It's easy. So I'm not going to show you that part because it's easy. Okay.
You just put it on.
Now the 3x3 looks like this. I'm going to get, you can start with any color. I have yellow, orange. So I'm going to find the yellow and orange. Now I'm going to put it in like that. It's very easy. And then white, blue. That won't work. So yellow, green, and then put it in. And now I need to find a corner piece, which looks like this. Okay. Orange, yellow, green. So I need to find that wherever it is. Okay, there we go. Slide in place. And now to keep that in place, I need to get the orange, green. Here it is. Orange, green. Just slide it in like that. And then Oh yeah. So if you have a cube that can do this, just simply take off the top, and you can loosen it too.
Righty tighty, loosey lefty, righty tighty, loosey lefty.
Lefty, loosey, righty. Okay. So blue, white. We're not gonna do that yet. And then you just keep building around it like Trump's wall. Look, see?
Trump is amazing.
And then green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red.
Kill Trump's wall.
Oh, there's much more pieces.
007, 007.
Okay, here we go. Green, yellow, red. And now I need, oh no. Oh, it fell apart. Okay, I'll just put it back. I'm going to do the rest off camera, but you should get it. And then just keep playing with it and stuff like that. So,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.